Hi everyone, welcome back to our last edition of Land and Water Forms. The first two parts of the series, remember we worked on, what was that one? The lake and the island, you got it. And then the second part, do you remember what we worked on? The strait, where the water went straight through the land. And do you remember that one? The isthmus, you got it. The last two that we are going to do today are a peninsula and a gulf. Here we go. A peninsula is where there's land that has water on three sides. So we have 1, 2, 3 sides covered with water. This is the peninsula. How many of you have been to the state of Florida? Florida, here in the United States, is a peninsula. It has water on 3 sides of the state. Peninsula. The other land and water form here is the Gulf. The Gulf is where there's water that has land on 3 sides. Count our sides. 1, 2, 3. This is our Gulf. Down by Texas, there's a gulf called the Gulf of Mexico down south, where the water is surrounded by land on 3 sides. Do you see the peninsula? Which one is the peninsula? You got it. You found the peninsula. Which one is the Gulf? The Gulf. Are you ready to try and build them with the Play-Doh? Let's start with the Gulf. So with the Gulf, I need my water to be surrounded on 3 sides. So I'm going to start with my water. Remember, if you don't have blue and green Play-Doh, that's okay. Try to build your own gulf and peninsula with anything that you have. So I'm going to build my water here. And now I need my land to be on 3 sides. So I'm going to grab my land. Here we go. And I'm going to kind of roll it so that I can wrap it around 3 sides. There we go. So we have 1, 2, 3. There is my gulf. Let's try making a peninsula. So I'm going to move our gulf. Our peninsula needs our land to be surrounded on 3 sides of water. So I'm going to bring my land back. I'm going to roll it out again because we need a nice chunk of land. There we go. And now I need to make sure 3 sides are covered in water. Let's roll it, make it nice and long to be able to cover all 3 sides of my peninsula. Oops. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. The water is around on 3 sides. There is my peninsula. Have fun building your own peninsula and gulf with whatever you have at home. Play-Doh, the sandbox, get outside to make your own. I hope you have fun with all of the land and water forms.